Philips MX550 came with the issue. The issue is battery not charging. So just switching it on. I'll just turn it on. The battery is charging, AC is there. Let's check the status of the battery. Battery has age replacement strongly recommended. So this battery is okay, but it is recommended that we change the battery because the manufacturing date is 2018. Oh, that's not good. Let's check the battery. Battery compartment is here. You actually see, if you look at this, on this battery, there's a manufacturing date. If I can zoom in. Yeah, it's 4318. 43rd is the week end of the year, and 18 is the manufacturing date. So the battery should be changed. We got a new battery with the manufacturing date 2025. New battery inserted. Go here. Battery capacity charging, manufacturing date, all okay. No error message came up. Stop the alarm. And that's it. Yeah. This monitor is also due for service. It's asking for insert batteries, which is the battery of this X3 modules, because that X3 module also does not have a battery inside. Just gonna press this button to open it, and once open, I'll check its battery. X3 battery. This is an open battery compartment. Press the button to open it. There's battery was inside. This was the battery. If you check the battery, push the button to check the battery. No, absolutely dead. So the battery needs calibrating. I will insert a new battery and I'll get back to you. Now, both of these batteries is recommended to replace battery 3 years of the manufacturing date, all after 500 charging cycles. The same here, replace battery 3 years after the manufacturing date. Even though this battery is not 3 years old, it's not 3 years old yet, but they also need calibrating as well. So I just put the battery in calibrator and I bought a new battery. It's £207. There's the new battery. Position, yeah, 100% charge, all okay. Connected to power, and battery is charging.